is given square root of 41 times 42 times 43 times 44 plus 1. We have to find out the value of this term. So how we can find out the value of this term? And one more thing, don't use calculator here. So calculator is not allowed here. We are solving this without using calculator. So let's start solution. Square root of 41 times 42 times 43 times 44 plus 1. Right, so we can write this 41. So here 41 times 42 is 41 plus 1. So 41 plus 1 times. Now this is 43. So this 43 we can write 41 plus 2. 41 plus 2, that is 43 times. Now 44. So 41 plus 3 is 44 plus 1. Right? Now is equal to, you can see here 41, 41, 41, 41. We can see 41 in every terms. So let's consider 41 is equal to A. So let's consider 41 is equal to A. Now we can write this is equal to 41. So here A times A plus 1 times A plus 2. This one A plus 2 times A plus 3. A plus 3 plus 1. Now A plus 1, A plus 2, A plus 3 and here plus 1. So is equal to, now we are shifting some term here. So A times A plus 3. A plus 3. Next term is A plus 1 times A plus 2. A plus 2 plus 1. Now is equal to, now let's simplify this one. So A times A, that is A square, plus 3 times A, 3A, times A times A square, plus A times 2, that is 2A, plus 1 time A, so it will become A, plus 2 times 1, that is 2, and plus 1, this one. Now is equal to A square plus 3A, it will be same here, times A square plus 2A plus A, 2A plus A, 3A. So here 3A plus 2 plus 1. Now again we can see here same term, A square plus 3A, A square plus 3A. So it is common here, right? So we can consider here A square plus 3A is equal to M. A square plus 3A is equal to M. We are considering here. So is equal to, we can write this M times M plus 2. M plus 2 plus 1, right? So is equal to M times M, M square, plus 2 times M plus 1. Now is equal to M square plus 2 times M times 1. We can write this way, 2 times M times 1, that is value is same, plus this one we can write 1 square. So value is same here because 1 square is 1. Now you can see this is A square plus 2AB plus B square formula. A square plus 2AB plus B square, and this is equal to, we can write here, this is the formula of A plus B whole square. So using this formula here we can write this one square root of M plus 1, M plus 1 to the whole square. Why? Because here m times m plus 1 plus whole square is m square plus 2 times m times 1 2ab, and this is b, so b is 1 square, right? So m plus 1 whole square. Now square is cancelled from square root, so value is m plus 1 here. Now we already considered that m is equal to a square plus 3 times a square plus 3a. So we have to substitute value of a square plus 3a, that is m, in m. So here we can write a square plus 3a plus 1, right? Now a square plus 3a plus 1. But already we considered that x is equal to 41, right? Sorry, m is equal to 41. But we already considered that a is equal to 41, right? So here we can write is equal to a is 41, so 41 square plus 3 times 41 plus 1. Now 41 square is 1681 plus 3 times 41, so 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12, so 123 plus 1, right? Now we have to add this one, so 1681, 123 and here 1. So 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5, 8 plus 2 10 0, and here 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8, and here 1. So 1805. So value is 1805. This is the value of a. You can say this is the value of a. Sorry, not a. This is the value of whole term. Like what is the equation? That is 41 times 41 times 42 times 43 times 44 plus 1 is equal to 1805. This is the solution. So without using calculator we got this value, and this is the correct solution. Thank you.